Imagine this. You are in your Tesla, driving down the highway. You pull over to charge, but instead of waiting for hours, you plug it in, and just 3 minutes later, yes, only 3 minutes, your car is ready to go for hundreds of miles. Sounds unbelievable, right? But it's real, and Tesla is making it happen, introducing the game-changing sodium-ion 4.0 battery, faster, cheaper, and more sustainable than anything we've seen before. But here's the catch. Can this new technology really replace lithium and change the future of electric cars forever? Stick around, because we're about to uncover how Tesla's latest breakthrough could redefine everything we know about EV. Elon Musk has just made a groundbreaking announcement that could completely reshape the future of electric vehicles. Say goodbye to the limitations of lithium-ion batteries, because Tesla has officially unveiled its new sodium-ion 4.0 battery, and it's about to change everything. With a 3-minute charge, this new battery technology challenges everything we thought we knew about electric cars and batteries. Sodium-ion batteries have always been a promising concept, but they have struggled with one major flaw: low energy density. Earlier versions couldn't even meet the energy requirements for electric vehicles. But with Tesla's innovation, things are about to change. The new sodium-ion 4.0 battery has reached a level of performance that even exceeds expectations. With a charging time of just 3 minutes, this is the future of EV charging. You're about to discover why this new battery technology could be the key to making electric cars affordable for everyone. Ready to find out why Tesla's sodium-ion 4.0 is the future? Why sodium-ion 4.0 is Tesla's secret weapon? For years, Tesla has been relentlessly exploring and testing various battery chemistries in its quest to make electric vehicles EVs more efficient, affordable, and sustainable. While much attention has been given to lithium-ion technology, Elon Musk and his team have shifted focus to a lesser-known, yet incredibly promising technology: sodium-ion 4.0. After extensive testing and analysis, Tesla has concluded that sodium-ion batteries could very well be the key to unlocking the future of affordable and sustainable electric cars. And this is what makes them so revolutionary. Sodium-ion batteries are often overshadowed by their lithium-ion counterparts, but they are quickly proving to be a viable alternative, especially as the need for affordable EV becomes more urgent. One of the biggest advantages of sodium-ion batteries is their speed and cost-effectiveness. Tesla's sodium-ion 4.0 battery charges significantly faster than traditional lithium-ion batteries. Imagine charging your car in just 3 minutes instead of hours. But what really sets this battery apart is its affordability, especially in a world where the price of lithium continues to rise due to increased global demand and finite reserves. The price advantage of sodium-ion. While lithium-ion batteries have long been the go-to choice for electric vehicles, their biggest downside is cost. The extraction process for lithium is resource-intensive and expensive, leading to a dramatic increase in the price of lithium-ion batteries. As demand for electric vehicles continues to skyrocket, so does the demand for lithium, driving prices up even further. As a result, automakers are feeling the pressure to find cheaper alternatives that can still provide the same level of performance. This is where sodium-ion batteries come into play. Unlike lithium, sodium is abundant and can be found virtually everywhere on Earth. Sodium is extracted from common salt, which is not only cheap but also widely available. Because of this abundance, the production costs for sodium-ion batteries are significantly lower than those of lithium-ion batteries. The low cost of sourcing sodium directly translates into cheaper production costs for the entire battery, making it a game changer for EV manufacturers. Tesla, in particular, stands to benefit immensely from sodium-ion technology. With its upcoming $26,000 Model 2, a vehicle aimed at making electric cars accessible to a much larger audience, Tesla needs an affordable and high-performance battery technology. Sodium-ion could be the perfect solution. By utilizing cheaper materials and a more sustainable production process, Tesla's new sodium-ion Zero battery could make the $26,000 price tag achievable. Cheaper, faster, and more sustainable. What makes sodium-ion batteries even more exciting is their sustainability. As we move away from fossil fuels and aim for greener energy solutions, finding environmentally friendly alternatives is crucial. While lithium mining is not only costly but also damaging to ecosystems, the extraction process for sodium is far less harmful to the environment. This makes sodium-ion batteries a greener alternative to lithium-ion, helping reduce the ecological footprint of electric vehicle production. Additionally, because sodium is so widely available, supply chain stability is no longer a concern. As the global demand for EV continues to grow, there's no risk of running out of raw materials, unlike lithium, which faces significant supply shortages. This reliability in sourcing sodium is crucial for scaling production and meeting the future demands of the EV market. Another advantage of sodium-ion batteries is their impressive energy density. While not quite matching the energy density of lithium-ion batteries just yet, sodium-ion technology has been advancing rapidly. Tesla's new sodium-ion 4.0 battery has achieved significant breakthroughs, now boasting energy densities that rival conventional lithium-based batteries in some applications. With continued research and development, it's likely that sodium-ion technology will continue to improve, making it a legitimate alternative for high-performance electric vehicles. A step toward the future of affordable EV. Ultimately, the introduction of sodium-ion batteries represents a huge step forward in making electric vehicles more affordable, efficient, and sustainable. Tesla's decision to invest in sodium-ion technology signals its commitment to not only reducing costs, but also pioneering the next wave of innovation in the EV market. As the company works towards scaling production of these batteries, it's clear that sodium-ion 4.0 will play a pivotal role in making affordable electric cars a reality for millions of consumers around the world. The $26,000 Model 2 may very well be the tipping point that accelerates EV adoption worldwide, and sodium-ion batteries could be the key to Tesla's ability to deliver a high-quality vehicle at a fraction of the cost of traditional electric cars. As we look ahead, it's exciting to think about the future of electric mobility, and Tesla's sodium-ion 4.0 battery is certainly one of the most important developments driving that future forward. What's the catch with a 3-minute charge? Let's dive into how Tesla is making the impossible possible, and it's all happening sooner than you think. 3-minute charge, a game changer for EV. Yes, you read that right, 3 minutes. That's all it takes for your Tesla to go from nearly empty to fully charged and ready to take on the road for hundreds of miles. Think about it. In the time it takes to grab a coffee or run a quick errand, your electric vehicle could be charged and back in action. This is a monumental shift in the EV world, where long charging times have traditionally been one of the most frustrating aspects of owning an electric car. Thanks to Tesla's breakthrough sodium-ion 4.0 technology, those days of waiting for hours at a charging station could soon be over. But that's not all. Tesla's sodium-ion 4.0 doesn't just charge fast, it also offers impressive range. With a 62 kWh pack, this new battery can deliver an impressive 300 miles on a single charge. To put this into perspective, many EV with similar-sized batteries struggle to achieve this range with traditional lithium-ion technology. This is a significant leap forward for sodium-ion batteries, a technology that was once thought to be too underdeveloped for serious EV applications. What makes this even more remarkable is that Tesla has managed to achieve such range and performance with a battery that is cheaper to produce and more sustainable than lithium-ion alternatives. The sodium-ion 4.0 battery combines fast charging speeds with a long-range capability, making it a perfect solution for everyday drivers who want the convenience and efficiency of electric vehicles without the drawbacks. Tesla is once again leading the charge in making electric cars more practical, accessible, and sustainable for the masses. With this revolutionary battery, the future of EV looks brighter and more achievable than ever. Is this the end of lithium batteries as we know them? Keep watching to see why sodium-ion might just be the answer to all our EV problems. The end of lithium. While it's unlikely that sodium-ion will completely replace lithium-ion batteries in the short term, there's no denying that sodium-ion technology has a promising future, especially in the realm of affordable electric vehicles (EVs). As the demand for electric cars continues to grow, so does the need for affordable, efficient, and sustainable batteries. This is where sodium-ion could play a pivotal role. The rising cost of lithium, coupled with its limited supply, is pushing automakers and energy companies to explore alternative battery chemistries, and sodium-ion, with its numerous advantages, is proving to be the perfect candidate to fill this gap. Sodium-ion batteries are already proving themselves as a cost-effective and sustainable option for the future of electric vehicles. Unlike lithium, which is expensive to mine and environmentally taxing, sodium is abundant and cheap to source. Sodium can be extracted from salt, which is found in vast quantities around the world, making it an easily accessible resource. The extraction process for sodium is far less harmful to the environment compared to lithium mining, which has raised concerns due to its environmental impact. By switching to sodium-ion technology, Tesla and other manufacturers could significantly reduce production costs and carbon footprints, making electric cars not only more affordable but also more eco-friendly. This shift is crucial as the world faces increased pressure to reduce emissions and resource depletion. Tesla's sodium-ion batteries could revolutionize the EV industry by making electric vehicles more accessible to the mass market, especially in regions where the cost of lithium-based EV is a barrier to adoption. The future of electric vehicles looks brighter with sodium-ion technology, not only because it provides an affordable solution to rising material costs, but also because it aligns with the growing push for sustainable, green energy solutions. Could Tesla's sodium-ion battery really be the secret to a $26,000 electric car? Here's why this breakthrough technology matters for Tesla's future. Why this matters for Tesla's future. As Tesla ramps up the production of its highly anticipated 4,680 battery cells, the company is solidifying its position as a leader in the future of electric mobility. These new battery cells are a crucial part of Tesla's vision, but the company's aspirations go far beyond its high-end models like the Cybertruck and Semi. With the launch of the $26,000 Model 2 on the horizon, Tesla aims to make electric vehicles accessible to a much wider audience. To achieve this, the company needs to focus on cost-effective and fast-charging battery technology that can scale for mass market production without compromising on performance. This is where sodium-ion batteries come into play. With their lower production costs, faster charging times, and sustainability, sodium-ion batteries could be the perfect solution to make the $26,000 Model 2 a reality. By leveraging sodium-ion technology, Tesla could finally make electric vehicles affordable for the masses while maintaining its reputation for innovation and quality. Ever wondered why some batteries are faster to charge and others are not? Stay tuned to discover the science behind the 3-minute charge and why it's a game changer. The future of EV batteries, sodium-ion or lithium. While lithium-ion batteries have dominated the electric vehicle EV market for years, sodium-ion batteries are quickly proving themselves as a viable alternative that could disrupt the status quo. Sodium-ion technology has made significant strides in terms of performance, charging speeds, and cost efficiency. positioning it as a strong competitor to lithium-based batteries. One of the biggest advantages of sodium-ion batteries is their ability to charge rapidly, something that has been a major pain point for EV owners. With fast charging capabilities, sodium-ion batteries could drastically reduce the time spent waiting at charging stations, making electric cars much more convenient for everyday use. Beyond just charging speed, sodium-ion batteries also offer long-lasting performance and lower production costs compared to lithium-ion counterparts. Sodium is far more abundant and cheaper to source than lithium, which means that the overall cost of manufacturing sodium-ion batteries is much lower. As the global demand for electric vehicles continues to rise, these cost-effective batteries could help make EV more affordable and accessible to a larger audience, especially with the increasing cost of lithium and its limited supply. So, are we witnessing the end of lithium-ion batteries as we know them? Not just yet. Lithium-ion still has its place in the high-performance EV market. However, with Tesla's sodium-ion 4.0, the future of electric vehicles looks brighter, faster, and more affordable than ever before. Sodium-ion could be the key to achieving the mass adoption of EV while ensuring that they remain sustainable, efficient, and cost-effective for the long haul. So, what do you think about Tesla's new breakthrough battery? Drop your thoughts below and join the conversation. If you're excited about the future of electric vehicles and Tesla's new sodium-ion 4.0 battery, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Road Zone Reviews to stay updated with the latest in battery technology and electric cars, and click the notification bell so you never miss out. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you be interested in an affordable, fast-charging Tesla powered by sodium-ion batteries? We'd love to hear from you.